Hi friends, I'm Aiza.
And I'm Nordik. Let's learn the letter I.
Ice cream. I is for ice cream.
Look! Ice! I is for ice.
Wow! An iguana. I is for iguana.
These are iris flowers. I is for iris.
Let's write the letter I. First, draw one big line down. Then, a little line at the top. And a little line at the bottom.
That's the capital I. Let's repeat.
First, draw one big line down. Then, a little line at the top. And a little line at the bottom.
Write the letter a few more times and you'll remember it for sure.
Link to the coloring page and worksheets under this video.
Now let's write a lowercase I.
For the small I, just draw a short line and a dot above it. Write a short line and a dot above it. Short line, dot.
That's the lowercase I. Wonderful. Today we learned the letter I and learned how to write it.
Link to the coloring page and worksheets under this video.
Watch our other videos, pause it, and write the letters along with us.
And when you finish writing the entire sheet of practice, color the coloring pages.
Share with friends, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to be the first to see the next videos.
We send you a furry virtual hug. Bye-bye.